Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and SpringBoot. In this video, we're going to set up the Angular project. Let's begin. In order to create an Angular project, you should have already installed Node.js on your machine. If you have not installed Node.js, then go to the Node.js website. The latest version is 13.7.0, but this is not a stable version. The stable version is 12.14.1 at the time of this recording. So go ahead and download this and install on your machine. Once you have installed the Node.js on your machine, then go to the Angular.io to install the Angular CLI. So here is the steps to install the Angular CLI. Go ahead and execute this command. This is going to install the Angular CLI globally on your machine. Once you have installed the Angular CLI globally on your machine, then you can create the Angular project. Go to the directory where we have created the GitHub repository. Inside this, we have created the SpringBoot backend application. In the same directory, we are going to create the Angular project. So open the command prompt. Let me expand the window and create an Angular project. To create an Angular project, type ng new and the project name. I'm going to call this Angular -bookstore. Hit enter. This will ask you a couple of options. Would you like to add the Angular routing? Press no. We're going to add Angular routing in the later part of the videos. And the style sheet format would you like to use? Let's keep it CSS. Hit enter. This is going to create the Angular project. This will take a few minutes to set up the Angular project depending upon the internet speed. I will pause the video and I will come back once it is created. Alright, we have created the Angular project with the 0 errors. Let's close the command prompt. Now we have two projects. One is a SpringBoot backend application and an Angular frontend application. Let's open the Visual Studio Code and let's click on this project explorer. Click on this open folder. We're going to open the Angular project inside the Visual Studio Code. So go to the directory where you have created the Angular project. Select the Angular project, click open. So now we have imported the Angular project inside the Visual Studio Code, and this is the project structure. So now let's open the package.json, and if you scroll down, we have these dependencies. In the dependencies, you can see we have created the Angular 8 project. So now let's run the application and test it. So the Visual Studio Code by default comes with a inbuilt terminal. So in order to open the terminal, you can press Ctrl plus tilde symbol. That is going to open up the inbuilt terminal. Let's execute the command ng-serve. This is going to build the Angular project. Let's go to the browser. Let me close these two tabs and navigate to localhost 4200. You can see the HTML content. This is the HTML code that the Angular CLI has been created in the root component view template. Alright. In this video, we have created the Angular project. In the next video, we're going to create a model class for the book, and we're going to remove the HTML content that the Angular CLI has created. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.